Welcome to Kennedy's Cooking Show.
Say, welcome to Kennedy's Cooking Show.
Welcome to Kennedy's Cooking Show.
What are we making today?
Pizza.
Pizza? Okay, so we're going to make our own sauce, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's
Pizza sauce, pizza sauce, pizza
let's get our little
sauce.
pot.
A little pot, a little pot, a little pot.
Here, Mom,
With the cooking abide. I survive. We have the cooking show.
So what are you making right now?
Sauce. I'm all done.
So what did you put in your sauce, Kennedy?
I put some vegetables.
Okay, hold on. We're going to have to mix it up real quick. Now, we're going to put it all over.
All over.
And then what do? We need cheese, don't we?
Yes.
So get some cheese. What are you doing?
Some cheese.
Some cheese? Oh, is that cheese? That's cheese. Okay.
No.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
We got cheese, pepperoni, pizza. Okay, hold on. Now what do we do?
Put it in the oven.
Mom, we need to flip this up back.
No, leave it like that.
No, you have to.
I know, but I can. Oh, dang it.
It's not working, is it?
Oh, dang it.
We do have to flip it over, honey. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Close the oven. It's done. Let's see the finished product.
Yummy.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And say make sure to like
Make sure to like
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye.